Hello guys, come back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your Binance account number. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. So you have to make sure that your Binance app is updated and also is verified, so you'll be able to carry a transaction on Binance. And what you have to do is for you to go over to your profile setting, which is at the left, at the upside. Let me go over to it, and over here you're going to see your user, which is your name and your ID. Let me go over to it, and this is where you'll be able to find your Binance account number, which is also known as your UID or your ID or user ID, whatever one. So for you to copy it, you just have to tap on this place and it shows copy success. And this is how you'll be able to find your Binance account number. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.